Choose Open, Unobstructed Place. Unfold the drone's arms. Remove the camera cover. Long press to power on. A beep means the drone is ready. The gimbal will self-checks after power on. Remove and install the joysticks. Press and hold to turn on the remote. Automatic pairing takes about 20 seconds. Complete the automatic pairing. Pull out the phone holder. Remove the phone connector from the remote. Place the phone in the holder. Connect the cable to the phone. Set permissions for iOS or Android devices. Open the Veeniix Mini app. Accept the permission requests. Auto-enter the control interface takes about 2 seconds. The drone begins searching for GPS signals. The solid green light indicates that the search is complete. Turn off beginner mode and adjust flight parameters as needed. Push the joysticks to the 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push the left joystick upwards to take off. Or tap the takeoff icon in the app. Long press the one-touch takeoff and landing button to unlock the motor. Long press this button again to take off. Press and hold to turn off GPS mode and switch to indoor mode. The left joystick controls the drone's altitude and direction. The right joystick controls the direction of the drone. Press the button to take a photo, or hold it to start recording. The gimbal dial controls the camera's up and down movement. Toggle the drone's speed mode. Press the one-key return button on the controller or app. The drone will return automatically.